Transform your Google Sheets into a powerful email marketing engine. Today, we're diving into how to send personalized emails directly from Gmail using a list populated in your Google Sheets. All powered by Zapier, this is perfect for targeted campaigns, follow-ups, or even welcome messages. First, set up your Google Sheet. Ensure you have clear columns for the information you want to use, like recipient names, email addresses, and any specific details you'll use to personalize your emails. This could be a product they're interested in, a past purchase, or a specific event they've signed up for. Next, head over to Zapier and create a new Zap. This is your automation workflow. For your trigger, select Google Sheets. The trigger event will be New Spreadsheet Row. This means your automation will start every time a new row is added to your sheet. Now, connect your Google Sheets account and choose the exact spreadsheet and worksheet you want Zapier to monitor for new entries. Zapier will then pull in a sample row to help us set up the next step. For your action, we'll choose Gmail. The action event will be Send Email. This is how your email will be sent. Connect your Gmail account to Zapier. If you haven't already, this grants Zapier permission to send emails on your behalf. Here's where the personalization happens in the To field. Select the email address column from your Google Sheet for the subject line. You can type a static message or pull in data from your sheet for added personalization. For the email body, you can mix static text with dynamic data from your Google Sheet. For instance, you can start with "Hi name" and then mention something specific like, "I saw you were interested in product interest." This makes each email feel tailor-made for the recipient. You can test your action to ensure everything is set up correctly. Zapier will send a test email using the sample data. Finally, give your Zap a clear name, like Google Sheets to Gmail campaign, and turn it on now. Every new row you add to your Google Sheet will automatically trigger a personalized email to that recipient via your Gmail account. Start automating your email outreach today and save valuable time.